Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Manzano Man adventure. I just got from UPS a Nilight Light Bar that I'm going to place on a 2020 Can-Am Outlander 570. I've been super excited for this to come in, and it's finally here. What made me want to get this is I just went on an ATV camping trip not long ago, and I ended up bailing out of camp about 11 o'clock, relying just on the lights that came on the ATV itself. So I thought at that point, man, it would be nice to have some bright light just in case I ever have to ride out at night, or if I ever want to go on a night ride now. So heck yeah guys, I'm going to show you how to put this in, and after we put this in, we're going to do a review on it. Here up on the front rack, there's actually a couple holes that are already pre-drilled into this machine here. So there's a hole right here, and then there's a hole right there. So I don't have to drill anything into any plastics or the rack, and I think that light bar is going to look good right there. It'll have more of a forward beam, so that's cool. I don't have to set it back there where it's placed right now. I think it'll utilize its light much better being up front. So I'm thinking about running the electrical either through this side or that side, but I'm not sure yet. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So to take off the hood right here, you just got to push in underneath, grab it, make sure that you feel like a click, and it comes right off. When you're doing these kind of projects, it's good to have a container so that way you can put all your little pieces in there, so that way you're not losing them. So that's what I'm going to use right there, is a small Tupperware to hold everything that I'm taking off. Alright, just got done taking off the plastic here for the engine guard, and now I'm going to go ahead and run some wire. So I decided that I am going to run the wire down the left side of the bike, so I'm going to go ahead and use that space right there to run my wire. So let's get started. Light bar is mounted, still need to tighten up some bolts right there, but I'll do that last. Wire is fed right through there, looks great. Down here, I connected the wires to the connector. Just need to use some electrical tape to go ahead and make that secure. And I'm going to run the wire up there on the existing wire already. There's another set of wires, probably if you want to set another light mount up on here somewhere, but I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to tape that off as well. Wire's running right up through here, and I'm going to tuck it right down in here and run it right around the battery, and put all my excess wire right there in that little pocket. So the battery connectors that they have are not going to work, so I'm going to go ahead and splice that off and put on what I have already, which works great. So that's the next step here. So I just got through splicing, connecting the battery wires together, and now before I put this all back together, let's go ahead and make sure that this light operates as intended. So I got the switch right here. Let's give it a go. Booyah! Heck yeah! Success! Time to put this back together, and holy crap, that's bright in the daytime. Wow! Alright, so I just got done running the wire, and you can see how I ran it through that little slot right there. But when you come around to the front side, this is what it actually looks like. So the wire comes out right through here, and I went ahead and zip tied it to the frame. Right back in there, there was a pre-made hole that I zip tied it to. So then the wire runs around right here over the frame, and I'm connecting it with the zip tie to the existing wiring that's already there. So all the excess cord, I went ahead and bunched it up, and I zip tied it right there to the frame up front. So wiring is done. Now I just need to put the plastics back on. Alright, so the plastic is on. I know it's a little dark in there, but you could kind of see it right through there. But now the final step is just need to put a hole in the console up there and mount the switch right up in there. So just about done. Heck yeah. Hey, what's up guys? Just got done installing the light bar and it came out awesome. I'm going to go for a night ride here in just a little bit so you guys can see what it looks like. It's raining right now, but that's okay. I was going to wait for it to get a little bit darker so I could head out, see what it looks like. But check out where I installed that light switch. Came out awesome, guys. With the flip of a button right there, bam. Check it out. That's bright. Heck yeah. Love it. Awesome stuff there, guys. What's up guys? So it's dark enough that I'm gonna go ahead and check this out, guys. Doing nothing but heading just outside of my house on a ditch bank. So let's go have a look, and whoo, it's actually about to start raining too, so want to get this video up and see what it looks like before the rain gods come crashing down. But this is what it looks like just with the bright lights going on with the four-wheeler. And here in a minute, I'm going to go ahead and click in that floodlight. Alright guys, so here comes on the floodlight. Check this out. Let's have a look. Oh yeah! That is freaking awesome! Man, that is bright! This is perfect for what I need to use it for. Heck yeah, man! Yep, time to head back in. It's starting to rain, and didn't bring any rain suit, but this is all just for a quick little test and show you guys what it looks like. More to come. I will do a review on this Nilight ATV LED bar here in the near future. So yep, time to head back to the house, man. It is starting to come down, and these droplets are pretty dang cold, but man, I'm impressed. Heck yeah. If you guys are new to this channel, I encourage you guys to subscribe, leave any comments, feedback in the comment box below. Share this to anybody that you may know that is looking on how to install light bar on your ATV. This is a 2020 Can-Am Outlander 570. So until the next one, guys, I'll see you on the outside. You guys take care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you guys soon. I'm out.